So in this lab we'll try to implement this flip-flop and 32-bit register. I believe this is implement 32-bit register active on negative clock edge. Okay, it's not a positive clock edge flop, it's a negative clock edge flop. Anyway, so we know from our previous study before midterm how the SL latch looks like. We use like 4 NAND gate and implement an SL latch, implement a test bench for that and try and see how the functionality goes like, and then implement an D-latch out of that. So D-latch, you can actually reuse this module, instantiate that, and just connect an inverter between S and R and name that S as D. So that will do your D-latch, or you can actually take this guy. Don't reuse, you may not want to use the SL latch, but try this one, okay, directly with the 4 NAND and 1 inverter. Once you have it, then let's look at the flop implementation, which is like 1 D-latch, 1 SL latch. But since we have the preset and reset also, in this SL latch what we are doing, we are actually having a 3-input NAND there. Same at the D-latch, say 3-input NAND. So it's your choice, like you can actually have the SL latch implemented with the 3-input NAND, okay, 3-input NAND at this stage, and of course you can just call it a preset and reset, something like that, and then use that in a D-latch, then connect these 2 D-latch, instantiate 1 D-latch and 1 SL latch, connect them together like this connection, and you have your 1-bit flop. Okay, so once you have 1-bit flop, then out of that make 1-bit register. Okay, so instantiate that flop with a multiplexer, 2x1 multiplexer, 1 bit, 2x1. It's already been implemented in earlier lab. So instantiate that and combine this like this, like we have a load, D, preset, reset, clock, QQ bar. So this becomes your 1-bit register. So once you have this 1-bit register, then you can instantiate 1-bit register 32 times. Clock is common, load is common, reset is common, preset just put it to 1, you don't need it, okay, and you and reset is the common. So what I'm saying is that in this register there is no preset concept. So preset is always 1, so we cannot preset it or set it to all 1, but we can reset it. Okay, reset this whole value to 0, and this data 1, data 0 to data 31, that will be individually connected to each of these flop. So clock, load, reset are the common, preset all tied to 1, logic 1, and this individual D0 to D31 goes to this individual flop, and output of that Q as is coming out as Q of the register Q0 to Q31. Don't bother about the Q bar to take it out, but if it is needed in your design, top level design, processor design, that you need the Q bar, you might want to take it out at that point. Okay, so implement that in a register file. Next lab will combine them to make a register file. Okay.